and not just to finish GP. So congratulations, Yuka!
Thank you!
You're welcome.
My topic is what is important for English achievement. Since I have been enrolled in OJC, I feel myself that my English ability has been improving. Many friends of mine also say the similar things about their English achievement. The purpose of the project is to examine how learners' environment and motivation affect their language achievement. What kind of things motivate students to study? Through interview, I realized that students think learning environment is very important for their English achievement. They like small size of classes and contents-based curriculum and integrated units. In a small size of classes, they have more chances to talk with teachers in English, or they have to speak English sometimes. And also, all the teachers admitted that motivation is very important, and also opportunity to use English and practice English within OJC is very important, because if they have no chances to talk English, they lose their motivation. They don't know the reason to study English.
The purpose of this research is to investigate in what ways it is difficult to live or travel in Japan for Muslims, and why there are such conditions. And then I wanted to know how much Japanese have knowledge about Muslims. So I researched it by using questionnaire with multiple choice. For example, how many times do Muslims pray in one day, and where do they go for prayer, and so on. And in Japanese questionnaire, I found most of them don't have enough knowledge, even though it is basis. From my questions, that what kind of images, such as personality, looks, and so on, do you have when you heard Islam? And then I understood they have gotten information wrongly or overly from media, such as television and newspaper. For example, as you can see in here, why do Muslims women wear a hijab or ayab? And hijab or ayab means Muslims head scarf. And most Japanese answered they cannot show their face, hair, skin, and so on. But actually, recently, they hide it on their own initiative, and then they means their identity. So they wanted to do involuntarily. One more thing I thought is building school, which are based on Muslims, as Christianity, Buddhism, and so on. Then Japanese have a chance to know more about Islam. Thank you for listening.
My topic is teaching English for children in an elementary school in Japan. And in 2011, English will be a required subject in an elementary school in Japan. However, there is no curriculum for it now, so I will do a curriculum design for English class in Japanese elementary school as my graduation project. And the main purpose is to foster the children's communicative skills, and so the lesson should be child-centered lesson. It means that children join the class actively. Only listening to the teacher is not good for children in Japan, because there is few chances to speak English in their daily lives in Japan. I will introduce you my lesson plan. There are some sections like introduction, group work, and writing section. Each section is divided into a short time for about 10 minutes. It is because the children has short attention span, so in order to continue to draw their attention, I will divide into this short time each section. In the group work section, children divided into three sections and do the activity in the group. However, introduction and writing section will be done together, everyone together. That's my lesson plan. That's all. Thank you for listening.